for heavy words are so lightly thrown, but still I'd leap in front of a flying bullet for you. So what difference does it make? So what difference does it make? It makes none, but now you have gone, and you must be looking very old tonight. The devil will find work for idle hands to do. I stole and I lied, and why? Because you asked me to. But now you make me feel so ashamed, because I've only got two hands. Well, I'm still fond of you. So what difference does it make? Oh, what difference does it make? Oh, it makes none, but now you have gone, and your prejudice won't keep you warm tonight. Oh, the devil will find work for idle hands to do. I stole and then I lied, just because you asked me to. But now you know the truth about me, you won't see me anymore. Well, I'm still fond of you. Oh, but no more apologies. No more apologies. Oh, I'm too tired. I'm so sick and tired, and I'm feeling very sick and ill today. But I'm still fond of you. Oh. Sweetness, I was only joking when I said I'd like to smash every tooth in your head.